Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, perimeter alarm, roof rack, body color door handles, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.